When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, two names that often come up are Help Scout and HubSpot Service Hub. But how do you decide between the two? Both have their strengths, but which one really stands out when it comes to meeting the needs of your team and customers? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each offers, where they fall short, and which one might just be the best fit for you. First off, Help Scout is known for its simple, user friendly interface, making it a top choice for small to mid sized teams who want to get up and running quickly. It offers a shared inbox, live chat, knowledge base, and reporting all in a clean, intuitive layout. But there's a catch. While the platform is easy to use, it lacks some of the advanced customization and automation features you get with HubSpot Service Hub. Help Scout's simplicity is great, but if you need more control, you might feel a bit limited. Next, HubSpot Service Hub is all about integration. As part of the HubSpot CRM suite, it ties seamlessly with sales, marketing, and other HubSpot tools. This makes it ideal for businesses already using HubSpot's ecosystem because everything works together effortlessly. You also get features like a ticketing system, automation, custom reporting, and a customer portal, giving you more flexibility in how you manage your support. However, it can feel a bit overwhelming for smaller teams. The complexity of the platform can be a barrier for those looking for something straightforward. The third thing to consider is scalability. Help Scout is perfect for growing teams that need a streamlined help desk solution without all the bells and whistles. It's flexible enough to scale, but it does require you to manually integrate with other tools if you're looking for more advanced functionality. On the other hand, HubSpot Service Hub is built to scale. It's equipped with automation and sophisticated analytics, making it an ideal choice for larger businesses or those planning to grow. The fourth thing you need to think about is pricing. Help Scout is priced more affordably, especially for smaller teams, with plans starting lower than HubSpot Service Hub. If you're a small business or a team with a tighter budget, Help Scout might be a more accessible choice. However, HubSpot's higher price point can be justified by the depth of its features and integrations, especially if you already use HubSpot for other parts of your business. Now, let's talk support. Help Scout offers great customer service, with access to live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. HubSpot also has strong support, but some users report that it can take a bit longer to get responses compared to Help Scout's quicker, more personalized support. Lastly, one feature worth mentioning is the level of reporting and analytics available in both platforms. HubSpot offers a more robust set of reporting tools, allowing you to track performance in great detail. Help Scout's reports, while functional, are a bit more basic and less customizable than what you get from HubSpot. So, both Help Scout and HubSpot Service Hub have a lot to offer. Help Scout is great for teams looking for simplicity and ease of use, while HubSpot Service Hub is more feature-rich and scalable, making it a solid choice for larger teams or those already invested in the HubSpot ecosystem. However, after trying both myself, I'd say that if you're looking for the best alternative that combines ease of use with more advanced features, I recommend checking out the software I personally use. It's been a game changer for me, and I've even managed to integrate it easily with other tools. If you're interested, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. You'll get the best exclusive benefits available only to my viewers.